Hey folks, how you doing? Today I'm going to work on something that I haven't had in a while, but I've had leftovers from this weekend, and I figured I'm going to put it to good use. We have some leftover pulled pork, and I got some leftover enchilada sauce, and I got some leftover um, refried beans. Now, a while back, back when I was a kid, I was made this dish. It's Huevos Barbacoa, which that is eggs and slow cooked meat, shredded meat, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, I got me a warmed up corn tortilla, and then I'm gonna put a slather of refried beans on top of that. Okay. And then to that, I'm gonna add just a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. Now you can use any kind of cheese you want, but this is kind of I'm gonna do. All right. Normally, that one tortilla is all you're gonna get, but since I had 3 tortillas left over, I'm gonna do it my way now. Okay. All right. Instead of making a tall stack out of it, I'm just gonna do it like this. I don't want to put too many beans on here. Okay. Now, what I've got is the pulled pork, leftover pulled pork. Okay. And I've added some of that Red Enchilada Sauce. Now, my sister-in-law gave me this recipe for the enchilada sauce, and I'm not at liberty to give that out just yet. Of course, I hadn't asked her if I could give it out. But anyway, that's smoked pulled pork there on top of that. Okay, now what I'll do is I'm gonna get some this homemade enchilada sauce. You can make up your own enchilada sauce, or you can get some store-bought out of a can, out of a jar, and you can warm it up, put a little flour with it, and stir it until it starts getting thick. I think I'm just gonna barely have enough to do this with. Thank you, Crystal, for the enchilada sauce. All right, now on top of that, I went ahead and started cooking my egg, and I busted one of the yolks. That's all right. Still gonna get eat. So do it this way, don't. Where it's all nice and pretty. Okay. Now, on top of that, I got some of this the patio, I think it's the name of it. It's good stuff. I've had it in the hot sauce liquid form, but this is the same thing, but only it's a shaker. And it's got a little kick to it. But anyway, I'm putting this on top of the eggs for color. Okay. And then I'm going to add a half of an avocado, chunked up, cubed up, however you want to call it. And to that, I'm going to add a roasted jalapeno pepper. I did that in the frying pan, just a tad. Well, I sprayed the frying pan with non-stick spray, and I just kept turning it. The reason why I like doing it like that is because it brings out the flavors in it. Just kind of like wakes it up. So I'm gonna get y'all a good close up on that. That's gonna be some good stuff. All right. I appreciate y'all watching this with me, and I hope I can come back with another one of my favorite dishes and share with you. Remember, invite somebody to your table, make a memory, and put a smile on somebody's face. This is Joe with Papa Joe's Cooking. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.